Transformational Conscious Arts. The art of acceptance. We can only really gain vision by living life and playing out what we need to in order to learn and grow. We are not here to get it right. We are here to make mistakes and to experience life with our eyes wide open in order to develop discernment and wisdom. Only then can we really graduate from behavior patterns, situations, and relationships that no longer serve us. As we allow ourselves to get it wrong and to accept ourselves in all of our imperfections, we move into deeper self-love and allowing. As we accept ourselves, we can also accept others. We allow them to experience what they need to without interference and judgment. We realize that everything is unfolding perfectly and that the intelligence of the universe is guiding us in a way that is totally unique to our process. The Transformational Conscious Arts and their mastery guides us there.